everyone! Today I want to show you eyeliner, which I usually do on myself for everyday makeup, and our foundation on the face will be a little bit more natural than I usually do for a photo or video. So on my face I already applied my favorite cream, which I use almost every day and also as a base for makeup, and as a foundation I will mix these two products. This is Long Cover Fluid from Paese and Makeup Revolution highlighter in liquid texture. I will mix it together and apply everything on my face. You can see how natural result we receive and how glowy foundation look in a final way. And as my concealer I will use one of my favorite Age Rewind from Maybelline. On camera it's looking a little bit yellowish, but it's okay in real life. And I pack it or with small brush or with my finger, it depends what I want to use on my face. For now I use Makeup Revolution Strobe highlighter. It's very lightly give a glowing on your face, and this color is okay for lighter skin tone. This one I usually apply these highlighters with my bigger brush, this one from Bobbi Brown, and you can apply it all over your face but very lightly, or you can apply on the zones which you want to be highlighted, like with a light glow. Also you can apply it under your eyes with a small amount, and it also will give you like light highlighting of this zone. Later it will absorb into your skin and it will be absolutely invisible and just give you this light reflection, like your skin will just like glowing. In places where I want to receive more glow, I just pack same highlighter with a smaller brush and just polarize these zones. We will use two sorts of contouring color for today. My main one will be from Catrice in this light spectrum strobing brick, but frankly for me I never use it as a highlighter. I use it as a light contouring, which I can apply with a bigger brush all over zones where I want to make it smaller or more volumed, and you will never receive any spots. It's very easily to work with, and it's have a little bit warmish color, so depends. For lighter skin girl, be careful. And the second contouring color will be my favorite from Lamel. It's more grayish and I will add it only in zones like a light touch to make color more volumed. To make more volume on my cheekbones, I work with a smaller flat brush with natural bristle and add it more on the center of my cheekbones just to make them more defined. I will fill my eyebrows with the MAC Brunette Eyebrow Pencil, and I will do it behind the camera because it's not possible to cover it in camera. As a blush we can use Essence Matte Touch Blush in number 20, and it will just help us connect our contouring color with the face color all together. To make it all together I will use MAC Fix Plus, but I add a little bit of vanilla pigment inside, so I have to shake it and spray it all over my face. So for my own everyday eyeliner, I usually use on my eyes any sort of light eyeshadow or any sort of powder which can cover my skin color, and and dry my skin down. And frankly, I do not need a lot of brushes for that. I can use the same which I use for my cheekbones, for my blush. This one very soft, and I can do everything I need like that. And eyeliner, which I usually use on myself and same on clients, it will be Artdeco in this silver packaging with a brush on a tip, and this one is very long wearing, I really like. So let's start. I think maybe we can just make more volume for our eyes, and we can do it with our same contouring color and same round brush we used for concealer. I just dry it up, take a little. If we are speaking about technical part of eyeliner, I'm the sort of girl which do not have nice shape of eye for that, and if I will drop down my muscles and make them relax, you will see that this eyeliner will be cracked. So I'm a type of client or a girl which really do not care how this eyeliner will look. I just like eyeliner on myself. So let's start. So first of all, direction line I draw with my open eye, which look straight and without pressure at this wing. After I go inside and create this inner part. So you see I create like two lines, and after I'm looking down and connect it all together, and only on outer corner in this small connection I just lightly connect it with the tip. So I first creating like a base. If I'm looking straight, I like it, then I can close my eyes and with a normal pressure feel everything inside I draw, and especially I have to cover my root from lash line. So as a highlighter to inner corner, I will use this Revolution Makeup eyeshadow in Why Everything Covered Here, and I do not see a number of it. So it's very light one as a highlighter. It's very pigmented one, so you need just a light touch of that to apply to inner corner. Under your eyebrow. I usually apply more on the center of underbrow zone. Okay, maybe for everyday I didn't draw such a big eyeliner, and maybe it could be smaller, it's on you, but for now I really want to do white eyeliner on myself. I lightly touch my lashes with mascara till my mascara will dry. I want to do lips, so I will use these two products. One is pencil from I do not know what is that. I will put down number of it. It's like a grayish mauve color, and matte lipstick from Lime Crime in Cashmere. Lashes are done, and I want to add a little of Strobe powder on the center of my lips and cover it with transparent lip gloss. So here our final look with eyeliner and nudish lip gloss. So thank you for watching. I hope you will comment down below what you want to see more, or also I have a question, you want to see makeup on myself or on models, because with model it's a little bit complicated with time to find time to do makeup and all these stuffs. On myself it's easier to work with YouTube, so just write below what you want. So thank you for watching, subscribe, also visit my Instagram page, whatever, and ciao!